And speaking of lights, there's one community in Manchester known for its elaborate Christmas light display. This year, however, the residents have decided to stand down. We have the details in this report.
In years gone by, the Christmas lights display in Fairbanks, Manchester was a major attraction. It served as a perfect backdrop for enthusiasts. For the first time in decades, the streets have gone silent. These are the Harrisons.
We decided that we wasn't putting up the lights with both of the houses because of the hurricane and so many people. They haven't got no homes. Some of them have supporting over there, sheltered in themselves. And I said, you know what? If they don't have anywhere to go, it's not nice for we putting up lights and so we're going to forget about the lights this year.
In fact, it was a collective decision. Neighbor Marcel Fenton, who also added to the yearly spectacle, agreed. She also opted to keep it simple.
Of course, we're in two minds because one, some people like to brighten their days because of Melissa. So one day I wanted to do it, one day I said, maybe not.
The decision took many persons off guard.
But I didn't realize that we disappointed so many people. Everyone is calling, a few people are stopping and asking. Now I realize how important the light was.
The residents are hopeful that as the country continues to rebuild, all will be well come next year. Prince Moore, TVJ News.